Regular domestic and commercial cleaning. Gympie, Fraser Coast. Offering a proven income in a lifestyle location on the Fraser Coast, this well-established cleaning business could easily expand. With a good base of regular clients, including NDIS, there is also the option to buy the owner's carpet cleaning business. This growth region is seeing increasing demand for cleaning services, with potential to expand the commercial side of the business. As a mobile service, you'll enjoy very low overheads, flexibility, and tax benefits, just a short drive from Rainbow Beach. There is no marketing in place currently due to the high level of repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Offering a regular income for owner-operators, there is also exciting potential to employ staff to meet the growing demand.